Greetings from Bruges, Belgium. Since the Middle Ages, Bruges has been the centre of the linen trade, attracting wealth and the very finest artists from all over Europe. In 1903, Bruges' own Hendrik Slabbinck became a master in the Guild of Gold Embroiderers, and he created his own workshop. Art Studio Slabbinck was born. His embroideries were soon recognized as some of the very best in Europe. This allowed him to expand his company to employ dozens of the very best embroiderers. Second generation Moritz Slabbinck expanded the company in the 20s to include providing finished church vestments and banners. Continuing this success, third-generation brothers Dirk and Mark Slabbinck organized a worldwide sales network of church vestments, supplying to the highest dignitaries. Slabbinck has been recognized as the leading manufacturer of church vestments for the last 90 years. In 2000, fourth generation Matthias, Victor and Mirabel Slabbinck came aboard the family business. With her love of design and knowledge of textiles, great-granddaughter Mirabel saw an opportunity to capitalize on the Slabbinck's expertise in workmanship and embroidery. She created the home luxury line Mirabel Slabbinck, recognized as one of the leading home linen companies in Europe. Mirabel's collections are modern, elegant and timeless. She uses only fabrics made from natural fibers, such as Egyptian cotton satins and percales, and Belgium's very best pure linen. She uses ribbons, embroideries, appliques, and hem stitches to create standard designs that can be personalized according to the wishes of the customer. Every design can be personalized by combining the fabric, the color, the size, and the embroideries, including monograms. Designers and retailers are provided with sample books and technical catalogs. Our website includes an online tool to create digital images of each style in the colors that meet the requirements of the customer. All production takes place in our workshop in Bruges. Every order is made individually and overseen by Mirabel herself. Each order is given a unique production number, allowing our production department and our clients to track their orders. All order information is saved for future repeat orders. Our average delivery time is 3 weeks, but we are happy to expedite when necessary. We have daily shipments with UPS, keeping our shipping costs to a minimum. We look forward to receiving your order and serving you.